Hi, my name is Jason Engel, and I'm doing assignment 11.1 New Tech. We have covered a lot of different technology over this last semester, and the one technology that I thought should be covered is drones. Drones are growing every day and will stay in our lives for a long time, I feel like. They're helping out in a bunch of different ways and improving people's lives. What is this new technology and how was it developed? Drones started in 1849 and started developing from there, testing different ways to use them and making mistakes and improving them every day. In 2006 was the first year that the FAA issued a commercial drone permit, so now non-military drones are able to use by other people. Now that the technology is growing fast, it's hard to say what the future of our drone history will be like. Where is it being used today? There are a bunch of different ways that the drones are being used today that people are using them for. One example is capturing live events. Recently, drones have been used for capturing of live events. Drones are being commonly used these days to capture a different view at live sport events, parties, and activities. And also, surveying dangerous areas. Drones have opened up such possibilities for humans at exploring the world's deepest corners has now become a much easier job. It makes their jobs easier because they're able to fly the drones above some difficult terrain that would take a long time to walk. You can use the drones to check the environment out and taking notes about it. Another example is delivering of small items. Drones are being used by many big companies for the delivery of products to customers. Think about pizza chains that sending pizzas to their customers using drones. These drones are powerful enough to carry multiple large pizzas on them and make the delivery process much faster. Amazon has been using drones in certain regions to deliver small items. Shooting great commercial and movies. Drones make it possible for amateur filmmakers to get aerial shots. This is enabling things that the general population was never able to experience. Now they're able to take videos and watch them from the sky, from their personal device. How does this technology work? A drone is an unmanned aircraft and is made of light materials to reduce weight and increasing the maneuverability. This allows drones to cruise at extremely high altitudes with no problem. Some of the drones have cameras and lasers equipped on them. Drones are controlled by remote control systems and also sometimes referred to as ground cockpit. Why could this be a good technology for business and use? One example that I pick is agriculture. Farmers can benefit from drones in several ways. Not only can drones save farmers money by helping them identify failing plants early and take inventory of crops, but the machines can also be used to map and study the farmland and its irrigation systems. Engineering Engineering is another example that I picked. Engineering firms are also utilizing drones on in-depth projects like oil pipelines, transmission cables, and maintenance inspections. Using the drones saves time and increasing efficiency with their jobs. So they're able to uh, fly when they're at the work site, the drones, instead of walking back and forth all the time. And they're able to save time that way. So it just is a very useful technology that we are using today. And another example here at schools, um, at NTC, we are using the most and greatest technology that we have out there. So when the students are here at NTC, they're able to use the drones that we provide, and we're able to create videos from those drones, and the students are able to get full hand experience on how to use all those different drones and techniques and being able to drive them and fly them. So when they graduate from school, they're able to still perform these actions and hopefully keep further their education in flying drones and making videos. And they're able to help or show their future company how to fly them and stuff. And from conclusion why these drones are so good, because you can have different views, and it's just a really great experience from to get to learn how to fly these drones and everything. So it's a great technology that people should be aware of and keep flying and working with them. So thank you for listening to me and have a nice day. Bye.